The other day I wanted to make beef stew, so I cut up veggies for beef stew. To save some time, I needed the vegetables that I used in the beef stew also for my meal for the next day, which was going to be chicken noodle soup. So I chopped up all the veggies again after I had chopped it for the beef stew. Onions, carrots, and celery. It helps to use the chopper once, less cleaning to do. Put it in a bag to save for the next day. If you don't need to use it for the next day and wanted to cook a meal with the same veggies a different day, you could also freeze it if you need it longer. The next day I was able to get it out and get it ready, the chicken noodle soup, pour the veggies in, put the broth in, and added the chicken and the spices and seasoning. After cooking it all day, it's ready for dinner. Super easy hack to prep your veggies for 2 meals in one day.